It's about 7:30 as you just saw. We got ourselves a pretty busy one today. A ton of windows and a lot of square footage of pressure washing to do. Should take, roughly 5 or 6 hours, so it's not gonna be as bad. We're gonna go ahead and get this truck all loaded up. They don't call me the master of Tetris for nothing, son. Look at that. So let's go to the gas station, get the morning juice, some gas for the pressure washer, and then to the client's house. All right, we are out the house by 7:42. We got the job starting at 9. It's gonna be a big pressure washing job, 2,500 square feet plus, and then 50 window panes to clean. So we're gonna be busy, but we're gonna knock it through. So without further ado, I'll see you at the gas station. All right, let's go.
Good morning.
How we doing?
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you, you too. I'm just gonna run the Home Depot really quick, make sure that we have everything that we need and not have to go back, later in the day for something that I should already have. So I'll see you at Home Depot. Enjoy the time lapse. All right, you guys know where we're going, and that's to aisle 5, baby. Let's go. Let's get some more towels for Kaylin and some more formula for the exteriors that we're going to be pressure washing. Good morning. How we doing today?
I'm awake. Barely.
Awake? Yeah, same here. Have a good one. So it is only 8:13, and we don't have to be there till 9. It is about a 15-minute drive away. So let's get there early, and I'll see you there. All right. Let's go talk to the client, get unloaded, and started, baby. Let's go.
Morning.
Morning. How we doing?
Good. It's Tom.
Dominic.
Yeah.
I'll get unloaded and then get started for you.
Okay.
All
Thanks,
right.
Dominic.
Yes, sir.
Be around.
Call me Max Verstappen, son. We quick out here. Let's get Kaylin's goodie bag organized here. All right, we got Kaylin's goodie bag all set up here. It's about 8:38, so we still have 22 minutes until we can start pressure washing. I'm gonna go ahead and move off all the furniture and plants and pots and everything off of the deck, and then get started at 9. So we'll see you there. Kaylin's here. Good morning, sir. How we doing? I have everything set up, so your goodie bag is right there for you. Look at this, Kaylin. We have apples, bananas, protein bars, water, and Gatorade, and some chips. Let's get this puppy started and get to pressure washing here. Let's turn this John on, baby. Yeah! Let's go. Let's get started. I got everything moved over here, but so far we got the awning, the front side of the house, and the decking complete. This is looking really good, so we're going to be working on the front walkway next. Let's get to it. All right, just finished the front walkway. Just a quick tip too, you always want to pressure wash with the grain of the concrete. So for example, this grain here, it's going vertical. If you go horizontal, it's going to leave extra scuff marks that you don't want. It's going to damage or completely ruin the concrete itself. So just remember, always pressure wash with the grain. You'll see the best results. Got everything moved into position here. Going to start on the side yard, move to the back, and then the left side of the house. Okay, so quick little update. I was letting the GoPro charge up a little, so I finished these two main squares. Then we still have these left over, and then after all the concrete is done, we're gonna move to the back decking and then the side decking. Once when all that is finished, we're gonna pressure wash the house and then move on to the exterior cleaning of the windows. In the meantime, let's get the rest of this concrete going. All right, all the concrete is done. Time to apply the formula to the back and the side decking. Let that soak in, start pressure washing, and then we're gonna move to the house. Okay, just finished pressure washing the back side of the house and the back deck. All we have left now is the right side of the deck, right side of the house, and then the left side. But we're gonna apply formula and get going. I just spent the last 30 or so minutes just spraying everything off, making sure things dried up properly. Everything looks great, but now we are ready to start the front driveway here. I'll start up the time lapse and let's get going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have all the pressure washing done for the day. All that's left is to do the exteriors of the windows, and that should be pretty quick and simple. So we're gonna get everything set up for that right now, and we'll see you there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially done with all the windows. Kalen, what's the time check?
No, 6:19. So yeah, long job.
Long job. What time did we start?
8:30.
8:30. So it's been another, 10-hour day.
9 hour, 49 minutes.
All right, genius. All right, we got the truck all loaded up. We're gonna say our goodbyes, but everything turned out great. All the windows, all the pressure washing. The house looks amazing. She's super happy, so we're gonna say goodbye and then get out of here for the day.
Is that okay?
Yeah, no, it's just water that's been built up in the machine.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah,
You
no
did
problem.
Great work. Will be a referral. I already referred you.
Yeah, I
And I'll
appreciate
do
that.
more.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
no.
I'll check in with you on
Okay,
Tuesday.
thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys did great work.
Thank you.
And my dogs like you.
Yeah, we love your dogs too. They're cute.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Goodbye, everyone. Might be my last time for like 6 months, maybe.
He's moving to Irvine. He's gonna start building rockets.
Yeah.
He's moving away. He's gonna leave me to go build rockets.
I'm sorry, Dom. I'll come back.
Please,
I'll be in a future video. I'll
Please.
Be here again.
we would love to have a little snail feature.
All right, bro. I'll see ya.
Have a good one.
I will see you, man.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be paid and all done for the day. It is currently 7:01 and I got to the house at 8:30. So once again, another super busy day for us. Tons of pressure washing lately, tons of window cleaning per usual, but everything turned out to expectations. The client was super happy with everything, no complaints whatsoever. So I'm going to be heading home right now. I'm going to unload the truck and I'll see you there for the outro. All right, made it back home. Let's go ahead and get this truck unloaded and then I'll catch you for the outro. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got the truck all unloaded up. Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, more, all the works, all the fixings, and I'll give you 5 cookies. Stay blessed. Have a good one. Adios.